Ever wondered which residential areas are most vulnerable to flooding? Start by going to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Give your project title and short description. Next, in the Process Data section, go to the GIS data library and add these layers. Boundary layer, country, state level 2. Similarly for river layer. And land use residential layer 2. Now let's create the river flood buffer. Go to Process Data Buffer Analysis tool. Choose the river layer as input. Set the buffer radius to 1 kilometer. Go to Process Data, select Merge Polygon. Choose the river flood buffer as the input and merge by attribute and attribute as waterway and value as river. And save it as a new layer and rename this output layer as River Flood Layer. In Process Data, use the Advanced Filter tool to extract residential areas within River Flood Buffer. Set target layer as land use, residential, then apply Select Filter by applying layer operations with source as River Flood Layer and operation as within. Submit the process. Then style the output layer to clearly visualize the flood risk residential zones and rename as Flood Risk Zone. In Process Data, use the Advanced Filter tool to identify residential areas outside buffer. Set target layer to land use, residential. Apply Select Filter by applying layer operations with source as River Flood Layer and operation as outside. Submit the process, then style the output layer to represent the safe residential zones and rename as Safe Zone. Once your layers are ready, click Publish and Share to get a live interactive link or embed code. Ready to map smarter and build flood resilience. For guidance, email support@mapog.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative GIS mapping ideas.